So you are thinking about moving to the Las Vegas, Nevada area, and you've heard about Ascension in the Summerlin area. Well, we have today a beautiful property, $2 million property, that we're going to take you through a little bit of the sort of closing of the home. So not completely done, but at the same time, I'd say about 60% done on this particular property. So with that being said, guys, as we always like to say on this channel, let the show begin, because we're getting after it right now. So if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything that there is to know about moving here to the Las Vegas, Nevada area, or Henderson or North Las Vegas, make sure you subscribe below, tap that bell for notifications so that we can be the first to update you in regards to what's happening here. Today, we're taking you into this beautiful $2 million property in regards to the Ascension area of Las Vegas. So enjoy this beautiful tour. We know that about 85% of you guys out there that watch our channel actually don't subscribe, so we really would love a huge favor from you. Subscribe down below, tap that bell for notifications so we can keep you guys up to date with great information and great content like this. If there's something that you specifically want to know, let us know in the comments as well, and we'd love to make sure we provide that. Enjoy this beautiful property. Look at this, you have stucco. If you haven't already started, that's Vince walking in, by the way, sorry. So you have stucco on it now. My gosh, we're getting color and everything on it. So how cool is that? So I'll take you through. I know they sent out the email and gave you updates in regards to how they should have countertops and all that. So if you haven't, or if you already have been up here, then pretend like you haven't. So nonetheless, and they have some plants all outside getting stuff together there. We need some stronger trees, but nonetheless, this is looking so cool. I'm excited for you. How cool. It's looking more real. Look how cool that is. And then going through here. How cool. Okay. Vince is already in there tearing everything up, I'm sure. We'll see. So again, no flooring as of right now. But you do have more of your countertops coming in, just in case you haven't seen those. Check that out. Wow, that's cool. Really looking cool. Okay. They still have some plastic on the countertop, which is okay. Those sliders look so cool. Gorgeous. Love the height. This is looking a little gray in the video, but it's really more brown. So a lot of this is much more brown tan. Right now in the video, now I'm looking on the screen, it looks very gray, but this is very brown tan with some gray behind it. But I just want you to notice a much more brown accent in here too. And you have your sink. I'm going to take you first through your right side of the room versus taking you to your primary. I'll take you to your primary last. But check out your backyard. I love that. this bathroom. A little bit light. I don't want to step on any flooring because I just don't want any movement, but I'll try and sneak into it. You can see the shower stuff. Take you around through your other secondary bedroom. This, of course, isn't the secondary bedroom, but still, this is the secondary, of course. And then I'll take you over to the primary, to your bedroom area. But this is your separation of these two bedrooms from the primary area. And then we'll take you over to the pièce de résistance. I'm sure they will change that window out, that cracking there. Yeah, that's why they have the big X on there, I'm sure. Look at that. I'm going to give you a couple of shots out of your window so you can see some views. Bath area. I'm gonna be a little, well, the grout here looks like that's solid. We don't have those white pegs in between, so I think we're settled. So that's your flooring. Check out your shower. Cool. So again, on the video, it's looking a little grayish, where it's more brown in person. And that is it. It's looking really good. I'm excited for you. It's all coming together. I love when we get to these stages. All the walls are enclosed, countertops are coming in, flooring settling, getting put in. Usually first on the wet areas, as you can see, and then we'll get more flooring, of course. You do have your other closet there. But then we'll get your flooring on these other sections in a bit, but it's looking really good. I'm excited for you. I wonder if I can sneak you outside. Let me think about this. I think we should be okay. Yes. Yay, you have the walls up too. Oh,